Hey, and welcome to the Passive Income Hunt. Today's video will focus on blogging, where we will go through how to make money on a blog, how much bloggers make, how to get approved for ads on your blog, and how you can get started with a blog. We hope you will enjoy it. How to make money on a blog. There are multiple ways to earn money on a blog depending on what kind of blogger you want to be, as there are a lot of different ways to be a blogger. We will go through some of the methods today. Just remember that you don't have to choose only one, as some of them work even better when you combine them and do multiple of them at the same time. But start simple. The first method we will go through today to make money on a blog is affiliate marketing, where you can earn money by redirecting your traffic through links to webshops you have an agreement with. The webshop can then see through cookies that the buyer came through your link, and they will reward you with a percentage of a sale. How big that percentage is varies from product to product and company to company. A lot of bloggers do this by either promoting what products they use themselves, or they write reviews of products and links to the product in the review. The second method is banner ads, where you can earn money by placing ads on your blog page. These ads are usually either placed on the top of a blog page or on the sides of a blog. Some sites also had them in the middle of the text while reading through the blog post. Usually there are two ways to earn money with ads, either by being paid for how many clicks on your ads, called cost per click, CPC, or being paid for how many views your ad gets, which is called cost per mile, CPM, where mile is 1000. The third method is sponsored content, where others pay you for promoting their product. When you have enough viewers visiting your site each month, then companies will start to see your site as a marketing channel where they can show their product for your audience. The company will then pay you for writing a review or post about their product, where it can either be an entire post for itself or be included in one of your regular posts, depending on what you agree to with the company. The fourth method is guest blog post, where you have shown on your blog that you have a lot of knowledge about a topic which is valuable for others. Some companies or other blogs can then be willing to pay you for doing a blog post on their site and share your knowledge with their viewers. Your guest blog post will then also point to your own blog in the post if they want to learn more, which might give you more traffic in the long run. The fifth method is selling digital products, where you have gained enough knowledge that you would like to share with others and they find it valuable to them. It can be through ebooks, courses, workshops, or something similar that you think your viewers would get value from. If your viewers believe enough in what you are doing and would like to learn to do it themselves, then they can buy your knowledge through a digital product. How much do bloggers make? To show you what you can expect on average from a blog and how big the potential in blogging is, we will go through how much bloggers make. It is hard to collect data on how much bloggers earn, as it is from multiple sources and the bloggers will have to share it with us how much they make. The website Indeed.com has made a small data sample of how much bloggers make in the United States, which is $30,621 per year on average, as of the time of this video. The data was updated on December 15, 2021, but the data only had 33 samples, which makes it hard to conclude much from it. But if you Google how much a blogger makes, you can see that it varies a lot depending on how much traffic the blogger has, what niche the bloggers writes the post in, and how often they publish a new post. It also depends a lot on how many of the income methods that the blog uses and how new the blog is, if it has been publishing for years or it just started. A lot of bloggers say that you can easily make more than $100,000 a year, but it takes a lot of time and a commitment to get there, which is why a lot of bloggers barely make $500 a year, because people aren't committed to it and do it half-heartedly, without thinking about how to keep improving the content. According to an article from Forbes from March 2017, 10 very successful bloggers earn more than $1 million each year, and one of them earn even more than $100 million each year. This shows that the potential is big, and as our world gets more and more digitized, the potentials for blogging will only grow. The entire list can be found in the link below in the description. How to get approved for ads on your blog. There are many ad providers out there, and some of them might even pay better than Google AdSense, and it might be easier to be approved for the partner program. But for this video we will go through what it takes to be approved for ads on your blog through Google AdSense. Google has some eligibility requirements which you should fulfill before signing up. Number 1 is that you should have your own unique and interesting content. It needs to be of high quality, be original and able to attract an audience. Number 2 is that your site needs to comply with program policies, which for example includes invalid clicks and impressions, traffic sources, ad behavior, ad placement, site behavior and a few others. They also warn you that they might change their policies at any time, and it's your own job to keep your site up to date with terms and conditions. Number 3 is you have to be at least 18 years old to sign up to Google AdSense. If you are under 18, you will need to have a parent or a legal guardian signing up for you with their own Google account. If their account then gets approved, all the payments will then be made to the adult responsible for the site. If you meet all these requirements and provide Google what else information they might ask for, then they will probably approve you to be able to use Google AdSense on your blog in the future. All the information about getting approved to Google AdSense can be found on Google's own site by following the link in the description. How you can get started with a blog. There are in general 2 ways you can start a blog. The first one being that you can choose a free blogging platform and create a blog on that site. This is for the person who just wants to get started easily and share their thoughts without thinking about making money on it, as it is hard to earn money on these platforms because they don't allow ads and affiliate links. The second one is creating your own website where you are in full control of what is possible, and is for the more dedicated blogger in the long run, as it is a lot easier to earn money on your own site. The con about creating your own website instead of using a free platform is that there is some running cost associated with it, as you need to buy a domain name and pay for a provider hosting your site. This means that the risk is a bit higher, but the potential is a lot bigger. After you have chosen what kind of blogger you want to be, you have to pick a niche where you can stand out from the rest. You will have to look at the other blogs in that niche and do it a bit differently than how they are doing it. The niche should also fit your personality, as you should enjoy writing new posts regularly and not see it as a duty. You should look for inspiration in other blogs' posts on how they do it to see if you can learn anything new compared to how you do it yourself. That way you can keep improving your own content, which will improve a lot in the beginning. Just keep in mind that you can always be better, and that each of your posts should be a bit better than the last, then the blog will carry you far in the long run. Read up on SEO and how the Google algorithm works, but don't use too much time on it in the beginning. There are a lot of tools out there that can help you with it, and you will be able to learn it along the way. You just need to read up on how SEO works in general to be able to improve on it for each post published. Post regularly, as you never know which post the Google algorithm will reward. But by posting regularly, you will increase the chances of one of your posts getting rewarded. Plan your posts ahead. If you plan your post ahead, then it will be much easier for you when you need to write your next post, as you already know what the topic of the next post is gonna be about. You just need to start writing it. In that way, it will be much easier for you to publish new posts regularly. Remember that it can take several weeks for your new post to be visible on Google, so don't stop writing additional posts just because you don't get any views in the beginning. Keep publishing and you'll increase your chances for getting rewarded in the long run. If you are still here, we would like to thank you very much for listening through our entire video. We hope you enjoyed it. Are you thinking about starting your own blog? Please share it below and we will encourage you to pursue it. If you like this video, please hit the like button below to show us that you like more content like this. And if you're not already subscribed, please do so. We will post new videos every week. Thank you for today and see you next week.